What is up, guys? This is your boy Vinge Plays here, bringing you guys a tutorial video on how to synchronize your gameplay with the video of your webcam and the audio of your microphone. Because the issue that I've noticed over the past few years, and I never paid attention to it, was the fact that my reactions would happen a second before whatever happened in the gameplay. And as a streamer, you want to make sure everything is in sync. So the first thing that I would do is check the video of my webcam. Make sure the video is in sync with the gameplay, and I do this by taking a game, I pick a simple action, and then mimic saying that action. So let me demonstrate what I would do. So I would mimic saying the word jump the moment that I press the jump button, and then look back at my recording. So this is a live recording, so I'm not going to play back any videos or anything. All of this is going to be done live. It may look weird, but trust me, this actually helps a lot. Now, if you was observing what I was doing there, it looks pretty much in sync, fairly in sync. And so I'm going to show you what you're going to do in order to adjust the speed of your webcam, or the speed of your video. So you would go over to your webcam, right click your webcam, I said clamp. Go to filters, and you're going to click the plus button. And then what you're going to do is look through the filter types, look for video delay async, and then select that. I don't have to add it because I already have it. And my magic number is 1200, because what was going on was my webcam is ahead of the actual video, so I needed to increase the delay. The bigger this number is, the slower the video will play back, so that it's more in sync with the gameplay itself. So I'm going to show you what happens when I set the delay to 0, so you can see how jacked up it looks. Okay, and this is why it's so important to use this for your webcam. Okay, the delay is set to 0. More than likely, the video footage itself probably looks way out of sync right now. Everything's out of sync. Now pay attention to when I begin mimicking when I say the word jump, the moment that I press the jump button. This is what I do. Everyone does something differently, but this just helps let me know, oh, your video footage and your webcam is out of sync with the gameplay. So here we go. In 3, 2, 1. So if you observe that closely, it looks way out of sync, right? So what I'm going to go ahead and do is put it back to the setting that I had, so that I could, so that I could show you that it's in sync. So I look for my webcam, go to my filters, change my video delay async back to 1200, so that my webcam is in sync with whatever's happening in the gameplay. So if I was to do this again, everything should be more synchronized. So here we go. In 3, 2, 1. And there you have it. Once you have it in sync, then the next thing you want to do is take a look at your microphone audio. If you guys find this video informative, then be sure to hit the like button, hit the subscription button, and also click on the bell to get all the notifications for my videos, because I do plenty of content. And I also stream on Twitch Monday through Friday, 8 o'clock Central Standard Time, and you can find a link to my Twitch in the description section below. I look forward to seeing you in the near future. So why don't we go ahead and talk about the final step, which is going to be to fix the synchronization of the audio of our microphone microphone. So we would go over the mixer, click the gear, and then we're going to look for our microphone. I use the Focusrite USB microphone, and what all you have to do is change what is called the sync offset, and it works the exact same way as the async does for the video of your webcam, but instead it delays the audio of whatever device that you are using. So just to have a starting point, what I would do is I would use the same exact number that I use for the async of my webcam. I use 1200, so I'm going to use 1200 here. Fortunately for me, that worked. I used 1200 and that was perfect. But if the number is still a bit off, then you just play around with it just by checking your video recording. If your audio is ahead, increase the number. If your audio is behind, then you want to decrease the number so that it syncs up with your webcam. Because as long as your audio syncs up with your webcam, everything should be in perfect alignment, as long as you make sure to synchronize your video with the gameplay first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what it looks and sounds like when my webcam is going to drop it to 0, and now my audio should be totally out of sync with not only the video itself, but the gameplay as well. And I'm going to demonstrate that by using the method that I use for everything else. In 3, 2, 1, jump, 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 jump. And I included the word jump because I do want to check the sound of my microphone audio. So if it looks off, is not in sync with both the video and the gameplay itself, I know I'm going to have to only adjust my microphone audio. So I have to play around with the sync offset. Okay, and once you find that magic number, then you are good to go. So what I'm going to do now is fix my microphone by going back into my settings here at the mixer. Look for my microphone, is set at 0, put it back to my magic number, which is 1200, and everything should be back in sync now. And so now everything should be just the way it was when I first started the video. In sync. Jump, jump, jump. And I hope you found this video extremely helpful. If you have any questions at all, feel free to leave a comment in the description section below, and I'd be happy to provide assistance. And just a friendly reminder, I am using Streamlabs OBS. So if you're using something else, something other than what I'm using, then the settings will be a bit different, but for the most part, you're going to do the same thing. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video informative, be sure to hit that like button, that subscription button for more video content, and you can click on my link in the description section of below to check me out on Twitch. Wherever I meet you, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Twitch, or both, thanks for your support, and I look forward to seeing you again. Peace, God bless, and happy Thanksgiving.